guess what, fellas? We just had our first profitable week with my FTMO account. So let me explain. This day was a $26 day. 26 pounds. I need to get used to saying pounds. 26 pounds. We made 217 pounds. Lost 102 pounds. So the previous week we lost 200 pounds. So it practically means we are at break even, because that and that will make 300 pounds. If you add that, you know, we're not in a really bad place, right? We're not in a real bad place. But guys, let me explain. These aren't the true results. This is not what my strategy was capable of this week. This day should have been a winning day, right? But there is something that happened this week with FTMO themselves. There's something that happened this day with me. Some decision I made here which caused it to be a red day. So let me show you what I mean. First, I think I told you guys that I have a live account. It's not mine. It is an investment account, meaning somebody gave me money to trade the account. The deposit was what, 12 pounds. It's also a pound account, and you will see that we are up 3, right? For this day is the day, as you see, the date 11 May was this day where I made 26. I was supposed to have made more than 26. I'm gonna tell you why I made 26, and it might help you in the future. And then there was a losing trade, and then another winning trade. This was a normal losing trade. So let's show you the other trade I was speaking of. I was stopped out here, and the market went up. So my stop loss was supposed to be around there. I got a late entry. As you see, I'm entering there after this bullish confirmation. Should have entered around here. Was late a bit, entered there. Stop loss was here instead of here, and I could have at least received 3R, right? I didn't do that, and okay, that was a mistake. So then why did I have a $26 day? I mean 26 pound day this day. Let me show you why. First, let's open up FTMO thing and show you what happened. So there we are, right? I took a sell here. My stop loss was, I think it was 10 pips, around 10 pips. It was around 10 pips stop loss, right? And the market went down 52 pips from when I'd entered, but I didn't close the trade there. You see that I closed at the break even. This is my entry there. I put a stop loss break even there because there was a problem. So it happens that when you take the standard account on FTMO, you see that here's my entry right there. And then let me just show you quickly. That is what should have happened. We should have went out, take profit there. We didn't. We closed the break even. And I was still about to explain why. When you buy an FTMO challenge, there's 2 options you have. It's either you get a swing account or a standard account. And the difference between, as you see, I have a swing account. The difference between a swing account and a standard account is the leverage. The leverage is different. And if you take the swing account, it has a lower leverage, 1:300. The standard account has a 1:100. The reason I took a swing is because I was just these rules concerning the standard account. You can't trade news, close a position 2 minutes before the news or 2 minutes after the news has happened. And if your trade hits take profit or stop loss during a news release, high impact news release, you are going to breach your account. So I took a swing account, not knowing that that rule only applies when you get an actual FTMO account, not the FTMO challenge phase or the verification phase. happens when you get the straight FTMO challenge. I mean FTMO account, sorry. So having taken a swing, I was supposed to open a position. I think it was supposed to be 10 lots, something like 10 lots. And if I open my trading view, you will see that here I've now started writing what the maximum lot size is for the account, so that I know when I'm trading. The maximum lot size was 6 point something, and I didn't even know, right? I kept on opening, it kept on saying no money, opening, no money, until I then tried 5 lot opened, but the 5 lot was not enough in terms of I was risking £100. I think the 5 lot is what, 100 and something pounds or 20 something pounds. It's not a lot, right? That means that I was planning to hold my trade longer so that I can get at least £300 back for 25, which is a crazy idea, but that's the basis of why I have to open the position, to get £300 back or lose 100. So that didn't happen. The market ended up going back, trailing this one out. You will see on the live account I made 4. I risked £1, I made 4 on the live account. So practically it should have been a profitable week. And we go on to what happened yesterday. You will see right here, as I told you guys, this yesterday, Thursday, I took a buy there, stop loss. I should have done better putting the stop loss here, and then I would have capitalized on 3 times. I didn't. I made a short stop loss, got prematurely stopped out in. But I learned a lesson. And this is the first profitable week since March, since the end of March. So it's kind of good that we have had our first profitable week. Supposed to be 100% profitable week. Not 100%, but 80% or something, but it's okay. I will take it. I take the lessons and I move on. And yeah, I will update you guys on what ends up happening with this account. I believe that we're gonna achieve. I believe we'll pass. So yeah, that ends the video. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe as I take a journey to pass my FTMO challenge. And by the way, this is not my money. I told you guys that it is investors' capital. So this is people's money I'm using to buy an FTMO challenge and then pass and then pay the people back. And we are free as an ego. Wow. So yeah, that's it. And you know what? If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. And guys, if you want a software you can use to backtest, just go on the link section. I put a link for the best backtesting software that I personally use to backtest my system with before I trade it. Get the link below. And you also want to use the broker that I use. They are exceptional, let me tell you. Stop loss is stop loss. Look, £1, there's no slippage. £4, £3. So get the link also below for the broker that I use if you want to use the broker. Here's Xmas. But click the link below and let them be a blessing to you. I really like them. Think that I'm gonna trade with them for a long time. The only problem is that they might have a maximum withdrawal in the future, in terms of, it's not small money, but maybe £60,000 or whatever. And what happens if I wanna withdraw £1 million? I have to withdraw 60. Think we'll do that when we get there. So catch you next week.